Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about types of credit card. So make sure to watch the full video. In a world where a dizzying array of credit card types are marketed to consumers, it's easy to become overwhelmed by the sheer number of choices. The thing is, you don't have to learn everything about every single credit card on the market. All you need to do is figure out which type of credit card would work for your needs. Then focus your mental energy on researching which of those are the right fit. 10 different credit card types. So, how do you choose the best credit card? Consider the different types of credit cards outlined below and how each type of card might work for your spending and financial goals. 1. Rewards credit cards. Rewards credit cards typically give you points or cash back based on a percentage of your spending, and some even offer bonus points in popular categories like groceries, gas, and dining out. Rewards credit cards also tend to offer at least a few different ways to redeem your points, often including options for statement credits, gift cards, or merchandise. This makes them a great credit card option for everyday expenses when you know you can pay off your card right away. By using a rewards credit card to cover your basic purchases like groceries and household supplies, you can earn cash back and travel rewards for purchases you needed to make anyway. 2. Cashback credit cards. Cashback credit cards make it easy for you to earn cashback or statement credits on your spending, although how rewards are doled out varies from card to card. Some options in this niche offer a flat rate of rewards, while others offer bonus points in certain categories like dining or travel. Some even offer bonus rewards in categories that change each quarter, as well as a flat rate of rewards on all non-bonus purchases. Many cashback credit cards come with no annual fee as well, although some with more generous bonus offers and rewards schemes charge annual fees on the modest side, usually under $100. If you tend to spend more in particular categories, like groceries or dining, you might choose a bonus category card rather than a flat-rate card, which is ideal for those with varied spending looking for an everyday card. 3. Travel credit cards. Travel credit cards offer you the opportunity to earn rewards that are geared specifically toward travel, whether that means earning flexible travel credits you can use toward any travel purchase or even points you can transfer to airline or hotel programs. Some travel credit cards also let you earn points within a specific program, such as a frequent flyer program or hotel loyalty program. If you often travel for business or pleasure, you can also keep your eye out for luxury travel credit cards that offer perks like airport lounge access, annual travel credits, and credits for global entry or TSA pre-check. You don't even have to leave town to start earning points and miles that can make your next trip more affordable. Many of the best travel rewards cards let you earn these perks by making everyday non-travel related purchases. 4. Balance transfer credit cards. If you have some high-interest credit card debt on your hands, you may be considering using a balance transfer credit card to help manage and pay down that debt. The best balance transfer cards let you secure an introductory 0% APR for a period typically between 15 and 21 months. Which can give you a nice break from paying interest charges while you focus on paying down your debt. Most cards require you to pay an upfront balance transfer fee of 3% or 5%, although there are some credit cards with no balance transfer fee. Still, even after taking the balance transfer fee into account, you could save a significant sum of money on interest during your card's introductory APR offer. 5. 0% intro APR credit cards and low-interest credit cards. You'll also find an array of credit cards that offer 0% intro APR on purchases for a limited time, usually up to 18 months. Credit cards in this niche can be a boon if you need to make a large purchase and want to pay it back over time without interest. On the same token, you'll also find low-interest credit cards that offer lower than average rates overall, and not just during an introductory offer phase. 6. Business credit cards. Business credit cards allow cardholders to keep their personal and business expenses separate while they earn rewards on all their business spending. Interestingly enough, business credit cards can also be cashback credit cards, general rewards credit cards, travel credit cards, or even secured credit cards. You do need to have a business or income-producing activity to qualify for a business credit card. In general, the signs of a good business credit card are if it helps you benefit from your everyday spending and makes running your business easier. Ideally, you'll want to find a credit card with a generous rewards program, expense tracking abilities, and features that help boost your bottom line. Some business credit cards will give you a flat rewards rate for all of your purchases, whereas other cards reward common business expenses like travel or internet service at higher rates. When it comes to redeeming your rewards, business credit cards generally let you exchange your rewards for either cashback or airline miles. 7. Student credit cards. Student credit cards are starter credit cards of sorts specifically geared to young people with a limited credit history. In other words, application requirements aren't as stringent, so it's easier to get approved. Most student credit cards don't charge an annual fee, and many offer bonus perks for good grades as well as rewards for each dollar you spend. If used responsibly, signing up for a student credit card can help young people build their credit and start creating good financial habits. 8. Secured credit cards. Most credit cards are unsecured, meaning you don't have to put down any collateral. With secured credit cards, on the other hand, you're required to put down a cash deposit in order to secure a small line of credit, usually for a similar amount. For example, you might sign up for a secured credit card and put down a $500 initial deposit in order to receive a $500 line of credit. The one-time deposit, and therefore credit limit, can be as low as $49. While putting down collateral may not seem ideal, secured credit cards are the easiest type of credit card to get approved for, so they are often helpful when you need to build credit from scratch or want to repair your credit after a financial hurdle. 9. Cobranded credit cards. Cobranded credit cards are store or brand credit cards offered through traditional card issuers like Chase, CD, or American Express. These can include airline credit cards that let you earn miles within a specific frequent flyer program, or hotel credit cards that let you earn points within a hotel loyalty program. Some co-branded credit cards also partner with retail stores, although you can typically use them for non-store purchases as well. Generally, the rewards offered by co-branded credit cards are limited to one brand, but their rewards are solid, and in many cases, the value of these rewards, like free hotel nights, end up being worth more than cashback. 10. Store credit cards. Store credit cards are offered through retail stores to let consumers charge their purchases and pay them off over time. Store credit cards are generally only used within the specific store that offers them, although some store credit cards can be used within a specific family of stores. Generally, store-branded credit cards have higher interest rates than general-purpose cards, and they are often more likely to charge deferred interest. Deferred interest means you'll get a low or 0% introductory rate for a period of time, but if you don't pay the full amount off within that time, you'll be charged retroactive interest. That being said, if you can pay off your store credit card on time, you may be able to take advantage of some great perks and rewards programs. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.